Okay, viewers, welcome back to This is BC Snake Eyes coming at you. Well, it is June the 11th, 2016, and 5 p.m. if you want to be technical. And I have a surprise for you guys. So, remember that video way back when? I said that I would be giving away a booster box of 50 on 50 subscribers. Well, change my mind. Instead, I'll be giving away 2 rows, to 2 people instead. So now 2 people can win cards. Why am I doing this? Because it's my birthday! Yay! Anyways, now I'll be opening up 13 packs and be giving away 13 packs to 2 people. 13 packs for one person, 13 packs for another person. So that's awesomeness right there. 13 free packs. Just watching videos. Who else does that, huh? Who else does that? Oh, let's get going. Wow, box. Wow. Box was really being held together, apparently. To make this fair, I will be putting this there. Now, $13 random packs for 2 people. What will you guys get? Who knows? Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how. Okay. Let's divide this in 3 parts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. All right. One, two, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. There are your piles. 1 for me. 1 for somebody else. 1 for somebody else. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 packs free of Dark Ascension for 2 people. How good is that? We will send. Alright, so this one I'll go in. These 2 I will be giving away. Okay, let's see what goodness lies in store for us today, huh? Zoom. There you go. Alright, Jerkison pack number 1. Going straight to the uncommons and rares. Faith Shield, Gravetiller Worm, Farbog Bone Flinger, and Zombie Apocalypse. Zombie token card, and Loyal Cather as a flip token. And a foil uncommon, Drugstall Captain. Okay, next pack. Please stay tuned until the end of the video to find out what you guys have to do to get the packs. Okay? What the hell? Oh, doy. I'm a genius. Okay, Gravetiller Worm, Diregraph Captain, Author Lost, and Hellvault. Spirit Token and a Hermit. Drugstore Captain, Curse of Thirst, Immerwolf, Call of to the Kindred, and info card, token, Loyal Catheter, and a Near Hearth Stalker. Foil. Avacyn Caller, Wake Dancer, Immerwolf, and Increasing Savagery. Token, Scourge. Curse of Thirst, Stormcurk Captain, Wake Dancer, Grave Digger's Cage, Human token, and a Mountain Land. Black Cat, Heckling Fiends, Thraben Heretic, Strangleroot Geist, and a Ghoul Tree. And a Gravetiller Worm foil. Markov Warlord, Gaviny Ironwright, Mystic Retrieval, Phala Garden of Thraben is a rare though. First strike, non-creature spells cost 1 more to cast. Good Commander General. Alright. Token and a flip rare, Ravenous Demon, turns into a Archdemon of Greed. Drugstore Captain, Nibbles of the Urn, Burning Oil, and Christmas Fortunes. Token, and Loyal Cather. Alright, 4 more packs. Ooh, shiny. Shiny Afflictor, which turns into a Werewolf Ransacker. It's uncommon. It's still cool looking uncommon. But whatever. Okay, we have a Torch Fiend. Okay, uncommon. We're coming through there. Okay, we have Deadly Allure, Heckling Fiends, Shattered Perception, and Markov Blade Master. And Chosen Markov and Plains. Markov Warlord, Nimbus of the Breath, Shattered Perception, Zombie Apocalypse, and a rare Wolf-Bitten Captive, which turns into a Kralin Horde Killer. Gravetiller Worm, Diregraph Captain, Stranglethooth Geist, Thalia Garden of Thraben, that's the second one I've gotten, Vampire Token, and a Mondronin Shaman rare flip, which turns into a Tovolos Rars Mage Hunter. Okay. Last back. I have no idea who you are. I think you're Unforgiven, I think. I do not remember. I don't know. Sorry. Okay. Avacyn's Collar, Hollowhen Spirit, Blood Feud, and last rare of the pack, a Flare of the Hatebound. Token card, and Chosen Markov. Okay, I've only able to crack one of the 3 or 4 mythics, so there is still 2 to 3 mythics to win. So here's how it's going to play out. I will be giving a stack to one person each. 2 people, 2 winners, 1 person each. Okay. The rules are you leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me how I'm doing. If I need to change anything around, if I'm doing a really good job, or basically what I'm trying to say is if I need to improve on things, so I can make this channel better. Okay, that is how it's going to play out, and hope to hear you guys soon. And 1 comment per person, please. Thank you.